Hi guys, today we're playing Peekaboo Fridge. Let's start. I like the music. Alright, let's that's milk, right? Yeah, I mean milk. Broccoli? Lettuce. You guys can guess along with me, but this one I'm guessing is carrot. Yep.
Carrot.
Alright, what's this one? Grapes.
Grapes.
Yep, grapes.
Yep.
What do you guys think this one is?
Yep.
Bread?
Yep.
Bread.
It's like it responded. Strawberry.
Strawberry.
I didn't even get you.
Yeah.
Wait, you guys to choose, but that's juice. I'm sorry, guys.
Hey.
Hi. It's yogurt.
Hey.
Yogurt.
You.
Cheese?
You.
Cheese.
Yep. Guys, like I said before, you can guess along. Leave a like on the video if you guessed a lot of these. And also subscribe for more videos like this one. So yeah.
Oh yeah.
Eggs?
Oh yeah. Eggs.
Eggs. Their little glasses look like nerd eggs. Baby? Is there a baby in the fridge? Just kidding. I'm gonna guess pickle.
Pickle.
Yep, it's pickle. Banana?
Banana.
Broccoli.
Yep.
Broccoli.
All right, let's keep going. Party.
Oh yeah. It's everybody.
Everybody. Whoa. It's nighttime, it's nighttime, it's nighttime. Why is the fridge bouncing? I thought this was the end of the game. Oh, they're all asleep. They're all like, no nighttime. Oh, my bad.
Good night.
I'm not asleep, but they are.
Peekaboo Fridge.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Look at the eggs over there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye!